Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Glittery Vibes. So in today's video we'll be seeing how to make corn pakoda. So let's get started. For this, in a bowl take 1 cup boiled corn, half onion sliced, 1/4 cup gram flour or besan, 1 tablespoon rice flour, pinch of turmeric powder, half teaspoon red chilli powder, 1/4 teaspoon chaat masala, half teaspoon ginger garlic paste, pinch of hing, 1/4 teaspoon salt. Smash and combine well and form a dough of it. Now deep fry this for 15 minutes or until golden brown. And here, your corn pakoda is ready. If you like this video, then do give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, comment to the video, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Until next time, stay tuned and keep watching Glittery Vibes. Thanks for watching.